So, how long have we started this now? We started it in end of May.
Yeah.
It's now beginning of October.
Yeah.
And we've built the trailer from scratch completely, and we've built 4 walls in a up. And that's only in spare time. So, James, you do get that ladder out of the way for a minute, will you? Just drag it over to against the wall there. Walls up. Not bad, even if I do say so myself.
Not bad now.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Bit shaky camera work, but you know.
Not bad.
We're going on a long walk around to show all the openings. You can see there, the heads above the window and the door. There's a big window and a big door going on the front side, or this side of it. And you can see there against the wall. Those French doors are going in, they're second hand, I got them. They're going in, you know, not yet, but soon, another month or two. Another window opening here at the back. Got your upper mezzanine window there. Got the upper mezzanine window above the toilet. And that end toilet window. Not bad. So, tiny house coming together nicely, even if I do say so myself, you know. Not bad. Everything you see there is hand built. Well, apart from the wheels and tyres, no, I didn't build them. You know,
So you're lying.
some tyre company built them, wheel company built them, but the rest of it is pretty much full trailer. Completely built from scratch. Now, one mistake I did make, if I was to be overcritical, well, many mistakes made, but one that I know about already is I didn't put enough of a gap here. Should be okay. It's like 70 mil, but you know, that's like 2.5 inches, 3 inches in American money. Other than that, it's going okay. Still a lot of work to do though. Anyway, that's it for now.